PLRZ stock analysis and PLRZ stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, as the only person that has actually done and recorded 42,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Especially now. Boom, this is where we are. Yeah, bearish range. Still a bearish range, even though we're up a bit. Now, why am I saying a bearish range? Because that's the truth, right? And if there is no sort of double break, then why the heck would I be selling? I simply will not. Very simple. So, PLRZ, I do have previous receipts here. And if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated. Really nothing else that I would try and add here, really. So, goodbye.